These are the major changes in AppTestStudio version 24, releasing in February of 2026. We have a new event that's been added called Pixel Search. And what you do, it's over here on the Pixel Search menu. And what you do is you set a mask of where you want it to search, whether it be the full screen or just a spot, and then you click on a color. Let's say I want to click on this bag here. So I'll click on the red there. Then I hit test, and what it will do is it'll bring up this menu, and you can tweak the range of colors. You can tweak the mask. You can test with the current target window, which will take a current screenshot. Retest on the same image if you change the settings. Retest on the project image, the reference image. You can also load the settings from the project that will reload the mask, color, and range. And you can also move the settings to the project. When you hit test, it shows you the XY position. It will draw a arrow. And as you move over the pixels, it'll show you the pixels that it found so you can fine tune and verify that that's what you found. And so in this case, it looks like all of the colors are correct. As I scroll through all of the colors, if I were to pick a different color like this green and hit retest from the project image, I only found one color in this entire range. If I increase the range, so you have a big range, retest this image, and it shows more, and it shows all of the colors that match. So you can fine tune settings. If you like the settings, that you can say move all settings to project, it will put the settings in the project view the way that you chose. And then at runtime, it will move the child actions to that location. So if I add an action directly under a pixel search is the size of the picture that it's going to center on. So in this case, let's say I want to find this bag, and the size, I just draw the size here. Any direct children will automatically center. If you don't want to center it, you can uncheck the use parent position, and it will use absolute positioning instead of relative positioning. Other new features of 23 is there's the milliseconds of each of the actions, how long it took. And if you click on it, it will bring up a bigger menu. There's the new section where it shows exactly which node had what. Now, since these nodes are child and parent nodes, you could see counts of a parent node and all of the children. They're counted separately. But it gives you an idea of where you need to look to find if you are looking for a performance issue. The last change is on your project node, the mouse mode settings, such as activate window, will now default correctly for nodes that are selected under an object search. That's all we have for version 24. Thanks.